Let's get photoshopped, photoshopped. Yes. Okay, girl. So like, let's see. Saturation down just a little bit more, cause okay. So then we're gonna open this. So this is just in Camera Raw. Now it's gonna open up in Photoshop. We're obviously gonna. I kind of love this frame, but at the same time, like, don't you want to know what it would look like if it wasn't there? If it was just like in the black. And like, I'm not mad about that. Oops, sorry. Just realized since Photoshop opened, I did not readjust my window. Hey, oh my god, hey, there you are. What's going on? Long time no see. Cool, bro, cool. So wait, do we like that or do we like the frame? I feel like the frame gives it perspective, so I'm not getting rid of the frame. I like the space between him and his head. I don't know, there's something nice about it. So I always go into my levels first to see how sad. Just in case you want to understand what this is. This is the darkest stuff, so this is all your dark and this is all your light. So this is basically telling me that the picture is too dark, which in most scenarios it would be, and then I should bring this to like here, and then look, everything has kind of like a high tone, mid tone, and low tone. However, that's not the vibe we're going for. We're gonna bring this back down. We're gonna actually put it back to where it was, and then this is our mid-tone scale. So this is what I'm gonna be able to do to hypen up him or make the background darker. So I'm actually gonna go a little darker. I know you guys are like, it's too dark. It's okay, because you can go back in. You take this fun little tool called the Dodge tool. Hey girl, miss you. And we're gonna go to where it's gonna be like, oh bam, look at that face. Oh bam, look at her. She's getting good. Oh girl, we gotta fix some things up in here. So we're gonna make this a little smaller. Hey, hey, hey. We're gonna pop, pop, pop. Ooh, that eye, let's brighten it up. We're gonna go to this one, do the same thing. I also like to do a little bit of a contour on the noses for my models, just to be a little bit nicer. You've got a little bit of something going on, which we can fix real quick. So
sorry, didn't want to get your face, bro. Could it make it a little smaller so you have area surfaces not grand, so you have less to mess up. You know, that's not bad. We're just gonna pull out. It's about here, it's about...
Whoa, girl. Boom, she's gone now. Look at her, we fixed her. Oop, not like that. That was awful. Ooh, we gotta go in. We gotta go in, we gotta center, we gotta grand this. Oh, it's gonna mess up with this chin line. We gotta patch it, maybe? Ooh. Yeah, that's
better. Go over here. Ooh, Mama Babe. We're gonna just... Okay, just anything that has like a weird distortion. I don't know, look at that. I saw that in person. I don't remember seeing that in person. You know, just getting any kind of possible crack.
Beauty or flaw. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Cheekbone, mama, come through. You know what we're gonna do with that cheekbone? That's right, we're gonna go over here to burn. We're just gonna make her just a little darker. Just a little darker. Oh, look, she got so much better. It's called contouring with light, y'all. She looked good. Ooh, that vein is popping. I ain't frontin'. What you know. Now, I don't know how I feel about the color of the skin. Do we want to do either A, black and white, which is like, you know, like whatever. I actually hate that. I hate that a million times over. But you know what we can do with this? We can also do this. Ooh, girl, make that skin pop. Isn't she lovely? Ooh, oh, I am not. Wait, do we like? I kind of like having the frame though. Ooh, I don't know. There's not much. But I also want you to be kind of like, I want that like ideal portrait light where you get like light and then you have like almost like a triangle. I need to turn his face a little bit more, but oh well, I didn't. So yeah, we're gonna go in deeper with that. I like that. Okay, cool. Yeah. I can also change the hue from red to like a different color. Like if we want to go like jaundicey. Ooh, jaundice. Love your jaundice realness. Or I can make it look more like, you know, ooh, Avatar, come through. I'm feeling blue, dabba dee, dabba die. No, we're not going there. We're not taking it there. We're gonna make it look almost natural. Let's go a little darker. Okay. So I like that. That's cute. We'll leave that one for now.